Hi, I wanted to show you a feature which is in Teams that I think would be very, very useful for you. It's a way of jumping back to recent things that you've done in Teams. Let me share my screen and I'll show you what I mean. I go up to the arrows above the chat and the menu. You just hover and down drops a menu of all the things you've been doing recently. So you can just pop back to things that you were working on. So for example, I can see there's a Word document here that I was working on. If I just click here, I'm working on my Word document. Here it is within Teams. Good, eh? So what else was I working on that I might need to nip back to? Here's a little Excel BI spreadsheet that I've looked at in Teams. There it is opening up. How cool is this? Don't have to think about where it's stored. It's right there on my list. I hope you found that really useful. It only takes a second.